Good afternoon, my name is Jordan Lambert, market analyst at Gelatama Management. US equity benchmarks reached new highs yesterday as two Federal Reserve officials said that any adjustments to monetary policy, either increases or decreases, should be made in light of forthcoming data on growth and inflation. Investors liked this because it reassures the markets that the Fed will only reduce stimulus if growth replaces it, and it kind of creates an almost win-win situation in the mind of the investor. Gold seems to have dismissed the daily changes in expectations for the Fed's next move and when it will be, and just allowing the technicals to take control and influence short-term price direction. And this was definitely the case yesterday. If we take a look at the 1 hour chart, we can see yesterday we had a few tests of 1400, and finally the neckline was completed at 1382. I'll just show you here by drawing a red horizontal line. So that acted as minor support, and once that was completed there was a subsequent decline of quite some magnitude, reaching a low of 1359. So right now, today, it is unclear as to where gold is going to move to next, because it's difficult to assess whether we are in a pullback of an upward trend or in a retracement of a downtrend. And so far today, we have had quite a clear resistance established and also a clear support. Resistance has established itself today at 1382, and we have support forming at 1372. So we have a consolidation period here. A breakout, watch out for a breakout to the upside because that could cause a rally, and definitely watch out for a breakout to the downside. If price does decline and attack 1372 again, it is likely that on the fourth attempt it will be successful and the support line will give way to the bears, and it will kind of complete a very shallow double top that we see here. And if 1372 minor support for today is broken, do target 1359, which was yesterday's low. But also it's very possible price could make some advances and penetrate this short-term resistance at 1382. So just be careful of the breakout, but to be honest, any breakout on the upside is likely to be limited given the weak fundamentals on gold at the moment. Let's just take a quick look at the 4 hour chart. The 4 hour chart, again, it's quite unclear as to which way it's going to move, but we do have a bullish signal here. We have the 10 period moving average, which is this yellow line, moving up past the 20 period moving average, which just indicates there could be some price inclines before price reverses again and tests the lows of yesterday. Be aware that there are potential headlines coming out from the Bank of Japan's press conference today that could affect the dollar-yen pair, which would have a knock-on effect on gold, so be aware of that. And also Ben Bernanke is testifying in front of Congress tonight at 10 p.m, so reduce your exposure accordingly around that time, because it could be quite volatile. Thank you very much. I'll speak to you again tomorrow.